What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to talk about a set that I might have completely slept on. So I know this set was on the Brick Fanatics retirement list early on in 2023, but then it got removed, and now it is sold out. I know a lot of you before my previous video have said it still might retire, and in my video I stated I think there is a potential that it could retire, but I wasn't staying on top of it, and now it's out of stock. So there's a potential it could still come back, but I really think this is sold out officially, and it is officially retired, which this, it sucks. It's not a huge loss, but I'm kind of upset because this went along with a lot of other sets that I bought and purchased, and I really wanted to include it into a multi-pack set when I sell. But I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this set. Do you think it is officially retired, or do you think it's gone? And how do you think the set will do? But let's dive into it. So we are going to look at the Hungarian Horntail Dragon. So it is out of stock on Lego.com, or I should say sold out. And typically when it's sold out, it is pretty much in retirement. I have seen sets come back in stock, but I'm thinking with how the inventory is on Target, because this is a Target exclusive, which we're going to take a look at in a second. I think it's officially gone. So now the Hungarian Horntail, this is not a great set, but I think there is potential to earn just a few bucks profit with this set, especially if you sold it in a 3-pack to go along with Hedwig and Fox, which Fox retired officially already and kind of has been a disappointment, but Hedwig is retiring in 2023, and it has really done amazing. So I really wanted to get a bunch of these, but I slept on it because I thought it was going to be extended, and I used my money elsewhere. So I'm really not that disappointed, but I'm more disappointed that I didn't stay on top of it, and it kind of just flew under the radar. But yeah, this set retails for $49.99, and it just really I'm really upset that I slept on this. So if you look at Target, because it is a Target exclusive, and as investors we love Target exclusives, it is sold out pretty much in stores. Okay, we just got 3 in stock here. Earlier when I looked it said none, but even for the shipping it's out of stock. So that's kind of why I think it's officially gone. Not just because sold out here, which typically on Lego.com when it's sold out, it's gone, but it can come back. But I think reinforced with Target being sold out, yeah, I think it's gone. And we didn't really see a whole lot of sales. It didn't go on sale here, so that's kind of why, like, did just Lego try and throw all the investors for, off? And it doesn't seem likely that they would do it with the Harry Potter. It seems like if they were going to deceive investors to deter people from investing, they would do it with like a Star Wars popular set where it really hurt. Not the Hungarian Horntail that has not been selling. And it has not been selling because investors have not been buying it. I know a lot of people may stumble upon my videos that aren't investors and really hate on us, but the facts are we keep Lego alive. We are spending a ton of money on the Lego company, and they are earning massive amounts of profit from us, and we really kind of drive their company, and that's why Lego is where it's at. Honestly, it's because of investors, because we buy a ton, and the Hungarian Horntail is a great example of that. This pretty much did not sell. It has always been in stock, and now it's sold out because of Christmas, but this is really the only time it's sold out. And we haven't really seen a whole lot of sales because a lot of investors were expecting this to retire at the end of 2024. I myself included. It was on the Brick Fanatics page, but then it got removed and everyone just pushed this off to the side. They don't really like it compared to Fox and Hedwig. The Horntail, it's kind of an angry set compared to Hedwig and Fox, so parents might not want to get it for their kids. I can see that view, but overall it's not as strong as Hedwig and Fox. It's just a side animal, awesome display, not like Hedwig. So we are not going to see Hedwig profits. I see maybe a $20 profit in this set, maximum regardless of the amount of time. Now compared to Fox and Hedwig, I think there's 20 plus we could see a lot more profit compared to this one. But I really wanted this in my inventory so I can include a 3-pack and get the most out of my money. But now I won't be able to do that. I only have Fox and Hedwig. So let's take a look at how Fox has done. So Fox retired at the end of 2022. A lot of people thought he was going to do really amazing. The retail price was $39.99. But if you remember during this time at the end of 2022, or I should say mid-year 2022, Target raised the price. I believe it was $49.99, and a lot of people did not want to buy it. And I am one of those people that just passed up on it because it just hurt me buying it for $49.99 instead of $39.99, and they would not price match. And the ones that I got, I think I got about 30 for $39.99, and I really wish I would have got a ton more because I've only got a few Fox, but I have a ton of Hedwigs. I've got like over 100 Hedwigs, and I thought Hedwig would probably be the stronger compared to Hedwig, or I thought Fox would be stronger than Hedwig, but it appears the opposite. So if you look, Fox right now has a retail value of $59.85. Near me locally, they're selling for about $60 to $65. I really thought this set would be close to $70 right now locally. And online, it's only got a value of $59.85. But Hedwig, on the other hand, which is retiring at the end of 2023, its retail price is $39.99, and it's got a market price of $42.99. Now, if we look on eBay right now, it is above the $42.99. So Hedwig is already in profit. And the thing with it, which is shocking, is Hedwig was out for 3 years. So it was supposed to retire at the end of 2022. They extended it to 2023, which a lot of people got turned off and burned, I myself included. And we thought that Fox was going to do a lot better compared to Hedwig because it had a shorter shelf life. But the character, and yeah, everyone loves owls. That's just, I don't think I've met a person who doesn't like owls. If you don't like owls, there's something wrong. Owls are awesome, majestic characters, or animals. And I think just because how much people love Hedwig, that's why it's beating Fox. 3 years compared to 2 years, so a ton more inventory. It's a Barnes & Noble exclusive compared to a Target exclusive, so it might be a little harder to get. But overall, people love Hedwig more, and I think that's why we are seeing a way better price. And I really thought Fox was going to be higher up there compared to Hedwig, but I was wrong. Regardless, I'm happy that Hedwig is doing way better because I have a ton more inventory. But I really wanted to include all of these three in one sell because I probably would have maximized my profits by doing that. And the Hungarian Horntail right now is doing $39.99, $55. Let's see, Australia, we'll ignore that one. $49.99, $55. So it's not doing too bad. I think in my game plan was to buy it for retail and sell it at a retail price included with Fox and Hedwig to incentivize people to buy from me compared to other people because I like to remain dominant in my area. I try and make it so people choose me over others, and I will always buy a set for retail and sell it for retail as long as I don't take a loss and I earn a lot more profit on my other sets. I will do that all day long. That's just the way that I sell, and it really works. A lot of parents typically buy from me because I have the best deals around, and I will do that. It's just transferring money. I hold up money. Some might consider that a loss, inflation, all that stuff, but regardless, that style works for me, and it has paid off quite a bit with sale. Parents love that, and I think parents would have bought all three. But the Hungarian Horntail, I don't think was a grand slam. But I think I'm just kind of more upset that I slept on this and didn't realize that it was selling out. It's not on the Brick Fanatics page. It's not on the, if you look at the last chance to buy. And nobody really talked about it. I think it's just because it's just a weak set in a line that's pretty decent. But overall, it just wasn't selling. And the holiday the holiday rush where everyone's trying to get sales that on sets that are far better. This one just kind of flew under the radar. So I'm kind of upset with that. I'm sad I missed out, and I really wish I would have gotten some. But do you think this is officially sold out, or do you think it's coming back? I'd love to hear it. So please comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this set, how you think it will do, if you'll think will come back, or if you're glad you kind of missed out on the set. Who knows? We're going to have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm extremely disappointed. I wish this was still in stock, honestly. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.